In the town of Bumbleberry, the delightful Miss Beatrix Buzzwell, an extraordinary science teacher, was famed for donning a whimsical beehive atop her head. It wasn't merely a hairstyle reminiscent of a beehive, it was a genuine, buzzing, honey-filled beehive. Miss Buzzwell's students cherished her for this wonderful insight. Bees are the small champions of nature, she would declare. Without their magic, we would be without flowers, fruits, and the sweet nectar of honey. The hive was a lively place that didn't disturb her. Bees flew around, sharing pollen and happily dancing around her. One day, the school principal, Mr. Finley, came rushing into the classroom. "Miss Buzzwell, we have a problem," he said. "The flowers in our school garden are wilting, and no one knows why." The children gasped sharply, their eyes full of worry. "Could you lend us your magic, Miss Buzzwell?" inquired her eager student, Timmy. Miss Buzzwell closed her eyes and softly said, "It's time to start our investigation, my buzzing detectives." The bees zipped out of the hive in a golden cloud. They hovered over the flowers, examining each one closely. After a while, they returned to Miss Buzzwell, dancing wildly. "They say the flowers need more water," she explained with a smile. The students were in luck. Miss Buzzwell kept a stock of watering jars ready for emergencies like this. Within days, the garden bloomed brighter than ever, thanks to Miss Buzzwell and her helpful hive. Science and teamwork saved the day. With a joyful cheer, she embraced her newfound title. From that moment forth, the children affectionately dubbed her Queen Bee, the most extraordinary teacher of all time. The end.